Okay, good morning, students. And today we're gonna talk about one grammar. Is talk about present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive. All right. Okay, now I don't want to waste our time. Let's talk about our lesson together. All right. Let's see it. Okay, so today is our Monday, 24 August 2020, Unit 2, Digital Footprints. Okay, lesson present perfect progressive. Right? If you're gonna talk about one grammar, you think that is talk about form and usage. So this part or the first thing I put the usage first. You have to know when will you use present perfect progressive. All right, now let's see. Okay, present perfect progressive usage. Okay, first we use present perfect progressive with for. You get you with for and seen when an action starts in the past and continues to the present, right? So if you want to talk this action that start in the past and continues to the present, you can use this grammar also with for and seen. Let's see example. Example, I've been waiting at the library for half an hour. It means that you guys still waiting. I mean, I'm still waiting, right? Until the present, have been waiting at a library for half an hour. It means still waiting. You can use with for. Okay, now let's see another point is, okay, use present perfect progressive to describe or tell, okay? To describe or tell an action in the recently where there is a result in the present. You know, to describe an action recently. Recently means something new is happening, okay? Where there is a result in the present. It means these are so of something you do, okay? Alright, so example, Elena looks tired. Right, Elena looks tired. Elena looks tired. She been doing her homework all night. Right? So you can use this form to talk about action recently where the result in present. This is the reason the person looked tired. You know why she was tired? Because she had been doing her homework all night. Okay, let's see, the next point is, okay, use time is present such as all afternoon, week, recently or lately. You can use with the two. All afternoon, week, recently and lately. Let's see example. Example, I've been trying to call you all afternoon, right? I have been trying to call you all afternoon, right? So now you talk about, you say it's talk about three main points. The first point is used with seen and for when action starts and in the past and continue to the present. And two is describe an action recently where there is a result in the present. Right? And the next is time is present or afternoon, week or recently and lately. Alright. And now let's see about form. Okay. Here we go. Okay, form. If you think about form, it has 3 points. The first point is positive, negative, and question, right? So now let's see positive together, right? Subject. Okay, subject. I don't want to explain it again and again because you have known it already, right? It has 7, I, you, we, they, and he, she, it. Okay, if you talk about this, subject plus have or has, right? So has used with he, she, it, and have you with we, you, they, and I, right? Been plus verb, you know, we put verb ing. For example, I have been studying all afternoon, right? You know, study is verb ing studying, right? I have been studying all afternoon. And next example, he has. See that? He has been. He has been waiting from the word wait. Waiting at the gate for 20 minutes. Right? Okay, now let's see negative form. Subject the same thing, have and has plus not. Okay, so this point is the same positive, but just add not plus been and plus verb ing the same. See example, I haven't been finding enough information. Okay, I have been finding enough information, okay, for 1 hour and a half or 15 minutes, right? Okay, and this is question, right? Okay, it's question form. Okay, question form, you gotta use has, have or has, subject, been, and verb ing. The point is, don't forget question mark. Example, has she been working too hard? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Next example, have you been using computer all night? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Watch out. I mean, be careful when you use our short form, right? Don't use short form in positive and short answer. Example, you can take this. Yes, I have. Not yes, I have. I mean, this is a short form. I mean, you gotta try to make it short, but if you make it short, it was wrong. Okay. So now it's finished our lesson today, and please, everybody, copy it into your notebook. And after that, I'm going to post our practice altogether. Thank you.